think that it's great for the children to learn new technologies and work in group.
Yes, it's a fantastic collaboration effort because with this teamwork they can improve the marks of the STEM subjects, and it's a very collaborative activities and it's a fantastic fun to learning working with holography.
They knew how to cooperate in groups, knew the concepts of physics, and how to put the theory into practice, how to make holograms.
Running the Holomake project, I found out how our students add art to STEAM, their self-confidence, their creativity, their flexibility, their pleasure by learning, their positive attitude.
Learning by failure. Doing failure, doing again, and learning by failure is very positive in the constructive educational approach.
They can change ideas in a European team. They can learn physics in a creative way.
And I saw, working with them, their interest in STEM, their self-esteem. I saw them setting goals. I saw their fulfillment and their cooperation that was increasing.
So it's teamwork and team confidence. I would say that they start exploring STEM in a playful and creative way, and also they interacted with the European team. They met researchers from different countries, teachers from different countries, students that were also working in the holomakers projects at the same time.
Active participation with a strong cooperation of all members, students and teachers together in the process of making an artistic presentation. Very strong collaboration between all of them in the making.